Trump introduces gold card visa for skilled Indian graduates and investors. No clarity on Telugu as compulsory subject till class 10 in Telangana. NEET PG 2024 qualifying percentile reduced again across categories. 13 students injured as picnic bus catches fire in Tripura. High Court seeks Maharashtra government's response on school safety panel's recommendations.
Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I am Arya Vidya and today's top education news are: in a significant immigration policy shift, US President Donald Trump has announced a new gold card visa offering a pathway to US citizenship for $5 million, replacing the existing EB-5 visa program. At the first cabinet meeting of his second term, Trump emphasized that the program would allow US companies to hire Indian graduates from top American universities, addressing immigration hurdles that force skilled professionals to leave the country. Trump expects the initiative to generate a trillion in revenue and boost the US economy by attracting wealthy individuals who create jobs. Trump expects the initiative to generate trillions in revenue that boosts the US economy by attracting wealthy individuals who create the jobs. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick confirmed that the EB-5 visa system will be scrapped, with details on eligibility yet to be finalized. The Telangana government's push to make Telugu a compulsory subject till class 10 for all boards faces implementation hurdles. While CBSE, ICSE and IB schools must list Telugu as a mandatory subject with a dedicated subject code, no official circular has been issued. Despite an order in 2018 and a directive in 2022, exceptions have been granted annually for class 10 students. CBSE currently has two codes for Telugu, but an additional code for compulsory Telugu remains unapproved. A meeting between CBSE school principals and NCERT Telangana is scheduled for March to discuss a solution. Meanwhile, parents express concerns, citing Hyderabad's global outlook as a reason against enforcing the rule. The Medical Counseling Committee (MCC) has further reduced the NEET PG 2024 qualifying percentile to a fifth percentile across all categories. Last year, the qualifying percentile was dropped to 0, while in 2022 it was lowered from the 50th to 35th percentile for the general category. Despite the cutoff change, NEET PG 2024 ranks and percentile scores remain unchanged per NBEMS. At least 13 school students sustained burn injuries while their picnic has caught fire in Mohanpur, West Tripura on Sunday. Officials confirmed that the blaze erupted following an explosion of a generator inside the vehicle. 9 students were shifted to GBP Hospital in Agartala for treatment, while 4 others were discharged after receiving medical care locally, said West Tripura SP Kiran Kumar. Chief Minister Manik Saha expressed concern, assured immediate medical assistance, and urged citizens to prioritize safety during outings. Authorities have launched an investigation to the cause of the explosion. The Bombay High Court has directed the Maharashtra government to review and respond to the state level committee recommendations for school safety within 2 weeks. The panel was formed following the Balatpur sexual assault case last year. Key recommendations include staff character verification, safe transportation, mandatory CCTV cameras, good and bad touch awareness, and cybercrime education. The toll-free helpline 1098 must be displayed prominently with a separate washrooms for boys and girls. The court has appointed retired Justice Siddhana Jadhav and Shalini Panchelkar Joshi along with ex-IPS officer Marine Bholwankar to lead the panel. The state's response on implementation is awaited. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Arya Vidya. For more such detailed news, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.